Today I am gonna be making a bead pet, and that bead pet is gonna be a popsicle charm. To make the knot, take the end where it's not separated and put it through the keyring or lanyard hook. Take the other side and put it through the loop. Pull. This is what the knot should look like. Now, to make the popsicle, you put on 3 clear pink beads. Take the other side, put it through the opposite part of this string. This is what it should look like. Now take 3 clear orange beads. Take the other side, put it through. Pull to tighten. Now take 3 clear yellow beads. Take the other side, put it through. Now take 3 clear green beads. Put it on the string. Now take this side and put it through. Pull to tighten. Now take 3 clear blue beads and take the other string and put it through the other side. Pull to tighten. Now take one of your tan or brown beads and put this string through the other side. Take one brown bead, take the other string, put it through the other side. Pull. Now take one last brown bead and take the other string, put it through the opposite side. That's what the popsicle charm should look like. Now tie a knot, double knot or triple knot. Cut off the excess string. That's what your popsicle charm should look like.